All right, folks, we're looking at Sonos here in the daily time frame. Back on November 18, the company did their Q4 earnings report, and obviously investors liked what the company had to say. Uh, Huge volume, big gap up. And now we've had for the last month price bumping pretty much sideways within this trading range, actually finding support along the upper median line of the Schiff pitchfork. Just last week, we have price breaking above, actually, it was week before, but break out above the trading range, break above this first median line extension, and now we've got price bumping sideways. This is the past week, the week that just finished, um, above this median line extension. And in Andrew's pitchfork terms, our next price target becomes the next median line, which in this case is up here. We'll call it 2770 as our next price target, assuming that this trend continues. Um, Tim Morge referred to trading ranges like this, consolidations, if you want to call that a consolidation. He called them energy coils, with the idea that price is building energy, compressing the spring, and that when price breaks out of a trading range like this, the movement is likely to be decisive. And so in this case, price has broken higher, um, and appears to be targeting that 2770. MACD's way overbought, still on a buy signal currently. Momentum is high, energy is high. Investors appear to be accumulating the stock based on the accumulation distribution indicator. So looking pretty good. So I had to look. Sonos makes an app, and I guess maybe there's hardware in the house. Anyway, they make it easy for you to play your streaming music over your in-home Wi-Fi, which, that's not something that I would do given my lifestyle, but obviously that would work for some people, and clearly investors like the stock. So, um, as far as activity here, if you're already in the stock, I'd say there's the next price target if it heads higher. Um, if you're looking for something to trade, um, you know, yeah, me personally, this is not a this is not a stock I'm interested in. I don't really consider that as a trade that needs to be taken. Let's look at the moving averages. Yeah, see, the price is way overbought relative to both moving averages. There's our 50 and there's the 200. We got price way up here. And then the 50-day moving average is also overbought relative to the 200. And so, same as we saw with MACD, price is very overbought. And so, going long this stock at this point, uh, you know, it's greater fool theory. I mean, we're hoping that a greater fool will come along and buy this thing off of us at 2770, and maybe that happens, maybe it doesn't. At some point, this stock is going to mean revert, and that could be from there potentially cut it in half back down to the 200-day moving average. So anyway, Buyer beware on Sonos. Um, and if you're long this stock, you might be looking at 2770 as a potential profit target place to make a decision. That's all I got on Sonos. See you, folks.